Would you like to save money on the things you're already buying? Let me show you a program where you can do that. First of all, you click on Home, and it shows you all the different things that are in the program. And if you go on the side here, it shows you all the places you can look up. Okay, since we were talking about saving money, let's click on Deals. And we go there and look, and you can save money where you eat, where you play, where you shop, where you travel, and so on. And you go back into the system again. And if you go there and you want to install an app on your mobile, you just click on there. And if you go there and you can see your own information, your order history. And if you click on referral, once you start advertising, you click on referrals, it'll show you all your referrals. They each have an email and a phone number. So if you want to follow up, you have all the information right there. Then you click on webinars, and they have 3 webinars a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. And if you're unable to attend those, don't worry about it, because you can watch the replays on YouTube. Okay, if we go back into the system again, and you look up there, and it shows you, it says My Websites. Shows you all the different websites you can advertise on. They call them websites, but they're landing pages or capture pages and there's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. It's up to you. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. So, and then you go back into the system again, and you look at the training information. First of all, you should watch that video. It gives you a little information. Then they got a 90-day blitz, which gives you a lot of information. And now, if you watch this video, you learn all about the compensation plan. The best way to learn, and me try to explain it. And then if you go in here, it shows you some more of all the places where you can save money on. Now, if you go back into the system again, I don't think there's going to be very much more I'm going to tell you here today. No, that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So I hope you guys are having great weather. We're having great weather this year. And thank you for listening. And next week we'll give you some more information. Bye for now.